Okay, so for this problem, the first thing you have to do is identify your variables. If you look at it, $9 for adults, $5 for children. Your total tickets sold was 300. So you know that if X represents the number of adult tickets sold. So that's what X represents, adults, or adult tickets sold. Then you have Y represents the number of child tickets sold. So that's the first piece you have to identify. Then you look at your 300, and that's how much the total tickets were. So X plus Y equals 300. You know that. And then also you know that 9 times X, right? Because $9 for adult tickets, so 9X plus 5Y, that's going to equal your profit. So that's 1980. So you have equations 1 and equations 2. Now, if I isolated for y in this equation, y becomes equal to 300 minus x. Now I substitute into this equation. I substitute into 2. So 9x plus 5 times y, where y is 300 minus x, and this is equal to 1980. I get 9x plus 5 times 300 is 1500 minus 5x equals 1980. I collect my x's. I'm left with 4x plus 1500 equals 1980, and 4x equals, well, 1980 minus 1500 is just short of 400. So 480x, you divide both by 4, you get x is equal to 120. This is the amount of what? X represents, this represents the number of adult tickets sold. So if x plus y is 300, I know then y has to be 180. So x represents this, and this is equal to 120, and this is equal to 180.